The Cuisinart Stand Mixer, model SM50BC in silver lining, is an exceptional choice for home bakers and chefs alike. With its powerful 500-watt motor and 12-speed settings, this versatile mixer can handle everything from delicate meringues to dense bread dough. The 5.5-quart mixing bowl offers ample capacity for large batches, making it ideal for preparing multiple loaves of bread or double batches of cookie dough. The mixer comes equipped with a chef's whisk, flat mixing paddle, and dough hook, allowing you to tackle a wide variety of recipes with ease. The included splash guard with a pour spout helps prevent messy spills and makes adding ingredients simple, even while the mixer is running. The sleek silver lining finish adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen, making this not only a functional appliance, but also a stylish addition to your countertop. For customer satisfaction, it is recommended to consider the Cuisinart Stand Mixer as the best kitchen mixer. For those looking for reliability, versatility, and ease of use, the robust motor ensures consistent performance, while the range of attachments caters to all your mixing needs. Users particularly appreciate the smooth and quiet operation, along with the mixer's durability. To maximize your experience, always use the correct attachment for the task at hand, and take advantage of the various speed settings to achieve the perfect consistency. Additionally, the easy-to-clean design and dishwasher-safe attachments make maintenance a breeze, ensuring that your mixer stays in top condition for years to come. The Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer, featuring a 4-quart mixing bowl, is an excellent option for home bakers seeking functionality and affordability. This mixer includes essential attachments such as a dough hook, flat beater, and whisk, allowing you to mix, knead, and whip with ease. Its 7-speed settings provide the flexibility to tackle a variety of recipes, from delicate batters to dense doughs. The mixer is equipped with a splash guard, which helps contain messes and makes it easy to add ingredients without interrupting the mixing process. The compact size and sleek silver finish make it a stylish and practical addition to any kitchen, particularly for those with limited counter space. For those in search of the best kitchen mixer that balances performance and value, the Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer is a top contender. Customers appreciate its straightforward design and user-friendly operation, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced bakers. The powerful motor ensures consistent mixing results, while the tilt-head design allows easy access to the bowl and attachments. To ensure customer satisfaction, it's recommended to use the appropriate attachment for each task and adjust the speed settings according to the recipe requirements. Regularly cleaning the mixer and its components will help maintain its performance and longevity, making it a reliable tool in your kitchen for years to come. The KitchenAid 9-Speed Digital Hand Mixer. In the eye-catching Candy Apple Red is a versatile and powerful tool for any kitchen. This hand mixer offers 9 speed settings, providing precise control over a range of mixing tasks, from slowly stirring chunky ingredients to whipping cream at high speed. The Turbo Beater 2 accessories are designed to handle heavy mixtures with ease, while the Pro Whisk attachment ensures perfect whipping and aerating. The Soft Start feature gradually brings the beaters up to the selected speed, helping to prevent splatters and messes. The digital display makes it easy to see and select the desired speed, and the compact, lightweight design ensures comfort and ease of use during prolonged mixing sessions. For those looking for the best kitchen mixer that combines portability with high performance, the KitchenAid 9-Speed Digital Hand Mixer is an excellent choice. Customers appreciate its powerful motor and the convenience of the digital speed control, which provides smooth and consistent results. The mixer's quiet operation and ergonomic design make it a pleasure to use, while the vibrant Candy Apple Red finish adds a stylish touch to any kitchen. To ensure the best experience, it's recommended to use the appropriate attachment for the desired consistency and to gradually increase speeds to prevent splattering. Regularly cleaning the attachments and storing them in a convenient place will help maintain the mixer's performance and longevity, ensuring it remains a reliable. The Venti Portable 5-Speed Mixing Electric Hand Mixer, model HM151R, is an excellent addition to any kitchen, offering versatility and convenience. With its 150-watt motor, this compact and lightweight mixer provides ample power for various baking and cooking tasks. The device comes with stainless steel whisk and beater attachments, perfect for whipping cream, mixing batter, and more. Its 5-speed settings allow for precise control, ensuring the right consistency every time. The included snap storage case makes it easy to keep everything organized and accessible, adding to the mixer's practicality. The vibrant red color adds a stylish touch, making it a visually appealing choice for any kitchen. To achieve customer satisfaction, users should focus on the mixer's ease of use and storage features. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, even during extended mixing sessions. It's recommended to start at the lowest speed to prevent splattering and gradually increase as needed. For best results, ensure the attachments are securely fitted and cleaned after each use. Given its affordability and functionality, this venti hand mixer stands out as one of the best kitchen mixers for both novice and The Dash Smart Store Compact Hand Mixer is a versatile and stylish appliance designed for whipping, mixing, and creating a variety of delicious treats. With a 150-watt motor, this compact hand mixer delivers efficient performance across 3-speed settings, making it perfect for everything from light meringues to dense doughs. The vibrant aqua color adds a cheerful touch to any kitchen decor. Its lightweight and ergonomic design ensure comfortable handling, while the Smart Store feature allows for convenient and organized storage of the attachments right in the mixer itself. This thoughtful design not only saves space, but also ensures that the beaters are always within reach when needed. For customer satisfaction, users should appreciate the mixer's simplicity and ease of use. The intuitive speed control allows for quick adjustments, ensuring the perfect consistency for all recipes. To prevent splattering, it's advisable to start at the lowest speed and gradually increase as necessary. The durable beaters are easy to attach and remove, and they can be cleaned effortlessly under running water or in the dishwasher. As one of the best kitchen mixers for small kitchens or for those seeking a reliable everyday hand mixer, the Dash Smart Store TM offers great value and convenience. Its compact size makes it an ideal choice for quick and efficient mixing tasks without compromising on performance.